Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the lower screws. Use a T20 Torx wrench to remove the upper screws. Carefully take off the fuel tank cover. Attach the rubber strips on both sides, ensuring they fit snugly. Secure the touring tank dash with 2 screws. Tighten them using a T20 Torx wrench. Align the holes to ensure the cover fits perfectly with the car body. Use the T20 Torx wrench to secure the upper screws. Finally, use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the lower screws.